Hello and welcome to this how-to video from EIS. This video will show you how to use the quick search bar and some tips to go with using it. So what is the quick search bar? It's located at the top of the home page next to the academic year. This search bar allows you to interrogate the database and find information either with full details or partial details, which I'll explain in a minute. So the first thing to do is to type help into the search bar. This will then give you a list of all the search commands that you can use to search the database. For example, #B for birthdays, #F for any female students, or contacts. So let's have a look at the birthday list. So if we do #B, press enter, and then we get a list of the students whose birthday it is this week. This can be useful for certain classes or certain members of staff who want to use the information in form time or within the class on a notice board. The thing you might notice is that there's an export button which can be useful for certain searches. When I click the export button, it will take the data and it will import it into an Excel document. Here you can see the data that it was showing us as we hovered over the dot. Sometimes that's useful, sometimes it's not. It depends what you want to use the information for. Another useful search term is #T, and then you may have taken a phone call from someone, a parent or a contact, phoning into school, and you can't remember who the contact was, but you do remember some of the telephone number. You remember the number was 543, but that's all you remember. When you type in 543 and press enter, it will give you a list of those people whose telephone number has 543 within it. This should hopefully jog your memory as to who you were talking to, and then you can find out the rest of their telephone number from the information available as you hover over the dot. The last one I'll show you, which is quite useful, is #V. Then if we type in 56, that would give me a vehicle registration number that has 56 within it. Here you can see the vehicle registration is AF56CVX. This is good if you've got someone in the car park who's parked in the wrong place, or they've blocked someone in and you need them to move it, but you don't know who the car belongs to. Now we know who it belongs to, we can send them a message and hopefully they can get the car moved. I hope this has been a useful video for you and it will help you with your role within school. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can pick up other helpful how-to videos.